Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger rear view mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a Torx bit set, and possibly a trim removal tool. Having good lighting is crucial, so make sure your workspace is well lit. Also, it's a good idea to place a soft cloth on your dashboard to protect it from any accidental marks during the process. This preparation makes the job much smoother. Now let's prepare for the mirror detachment. Look closely at the base of the mirror stem where it connects to the windshield. You'll typically find a small set screw or a retaining clip there. Sometimes, a plastic cover might conceal this mechanism. If there's a cover, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully and gently pry it off. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic or the windshield mount. This step reveals the main attachment point. With the cover removed, you should see the set screw. Select the correct Torx bit, often a T20, and carefully loosen this screw. You don't need to remove it completely, just loosen it enough to allow movement. Once loose, firmly grasp the mirror assembly and twist it counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 turn. This action disengages the mirror from its mounting button. Then, gently slide the entire mirror assembly upwards and off the windshield button. It should come off smoothly. After successfully removing the mirror, take a moment to clean the windshield mounting button. This ensures a strong bond if you're installing a new mirror or reattaching the old one. When reinstalling, simply reverse these steps. Align the mirror with the button, slide it down, twist it clockwise 1/4 turn, and then tighten the set screw. Replace any covers you removed. Always double-check that the mirror is securely fastened before driving. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.